This will be enough. Thanks to Neith, goddess of hunting. Whoa.
هرسية سشد شديد
Whoa.
ها نتشرو ها نتشرو
إني سجريت.
ها بينت ها بين
This will work perfectly.
Citizens of Siwa. Nia, idiot! Game Anju!
Clear the way.
همسة هر أويس جهاز
But
What happened to your blacksmith shop?
Those naked yadded soldiers. Ptolemy's captain saw me making a sword and accused me of being a rebel.
He was not wrong.
They confiscated my tools.
Ah, bastards. All of Siwa needs a blacksmith. Even me.
I cannot help you, Bayek. Not until I get my hammer and tongs back. And I have to get that ugly-ass Apap captain off my ass.
Is this captain with the tools somewhere I can find him?
At the foot of the hills west of here. Camp Shetje.
I will get those tools back, and I will take care of the captain. Benipe said the tools are in Camp Shetje. And the captain who is behind this, He's in Camp Shet J as well.
Bayek, take care! Siwa is a dangerous place.
Ptolemy. He has brought great sorrow to us all.
Hen Khariet, look at Yahoo!
My old Medjay outpost. I should bring Senu up there.
Capering lunatic. Great.
Hey! What manner of fool are you? Huh?
I should be cautious around here.
Hey, wait!
Benipe's tools.
What?
That's for my friend. That's everything. Benipe will be pleased to hear it.
By the gods, Amun and Iset!
Bayek, how did it
Bayek
go?
is back in Siwa!
Here are your tools. That captain won't ever come back here.
At last, I can reopen my shop. Many thanks.
My pleasure.
I found these weapons I had hidden from the soldiers. Please, choose one for yourself. Go ahead, choose one. They're all of equal value. That spear, sharp and long. You can keep back and still hurt your enemies. It is not large, but that mace can crack a skull with the best of them. The shield is made with bronze and leather. Good protection. Some weapons bounce right off it. That bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly.
Thank you, my friend.
Come by my shop anytime, Bayak.